Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see a creamy dyed chicken salad. For this we need around a quarter kg of boneless chicken. To marinate the chicken, add the required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, juice of half a lemon and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give everything a nice mix. Let us leave this for another half an hour and by the time let us get ready with the dressing. For the dressing we need a cup of thick curd or yogurt. Beat this well until it turns creamy. Finally it has to be like this. To this add the required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Use mother vinegar for the salads and shake well before use, there will be deposits at the bottom. Give a quick mix. For the flavor you can use a teaspoon of oregano, but that is optional. So here is our creamy dressing. Let us set this aside and get ready with the chicken. Take a pan, add a teaspoon of olive oil. To this add the marinated chicken. We are going to cook this in medium flame until it turns soft. If necessary, you can add a little water, but don't add excess water, it will spoil the taste. So here the chicken is ready. Add few chopped coriander leaves, that will give a nice flavor. And now for the salad, take a bowl, add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped cucumber, chopped lettuce around a cup, half a cup of cooked sweet corn, 1/4 cup of chopped spring onions, juice of half a lemon, and the prepared dressing. Give everything a nice mix. To this let us add the prepared chicken. Save some chicken so that we can top them while serving. To this add few chopped almonds. Give this a nice mix. And finally I am going to add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. This will give a nice flavor to the recipe. And here is our yummy dyed chicken salad. If you are not particular about the diet, you can add some mayonnaise. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.